Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. You've heard about cryptocurrency by now, and you might want to give it a try. But the question is, where and how do you start? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies based on blockchain technology that the government or any central agency does not manage. So you're unlikely to know which cryptocurrency is the finest and where to invest if you're new to crypto. However, there are thousands of them out there. So if you're a beginner trying to find the perfect crypto for you, you clicked on the right video. This is Fiat Bear. Before moving ahead, please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go to subscribe to stay connected. In this video, we have 10 cryptocurrencies for you that are deemed as one of the best in the game. These are some important crypto that would be worth your time and investment, even as a beginner. Everything in this list has high growth potential, so what else are you waiting for? Let's begin. Bitcoin. Despite market volatility, Bitcoin is an obvious crypto investment, given its popularity and consistent growth. You've heard of this name before, and it's no doubt one of the biggest aces of the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that works without central authorities such as governments or banks. Because of its open-source nature, all of its exchanges and Bitcoin issuances have been collaboratively secured by brilliant math, cryptography, and network participants. As a result, it is the most advanced, open, and transparent kind of currency. BTC will continue to be the most valued and rewarding of all cryptocurrencies for a long time. Bitcoin's price, market volume, and market capitalization are significantly higher than those of other cryptocurrencies. Despite the fact that there are thousands of other coins on the market, Bitcoin still accounts for more than 40% of the crypto market capitalization, making it an excellent investment option for beginners and specialists. XRP. Ripple is the corporation and XRP is the third largest cryptocurrency coin. It is a network of institutional payment providers that uses the Ripple protocol consensus algorithm. This patented technology is utilized for low-cost currency conversion, a payment ecosystem, and quick international transactions. Many institutions like Axis Bank, Yes Bank, Westpac Bank, and others already support XRP. This is one of the most significant coins for newcomers to cryptocurrency trading. Ripple, a digital payment startup, launched XRP as a crypto payment platform that allows fiat and cryptocurrency exchange. Other cryptocurrencies can also be exchanged on its network. As a result, XRP has exploded in popularity in recent years, and some banks are now using it to perform everyday banking activities. If you're interested in learning more about XRP, check out this guide. Ripple also has invested heavily in non-fungible token initiatives based on the XRP ledger, a public blockchain. Many experts believe that this investment positions Ripple to become an Ethereum killer. Now that's a scary name fitting for a horror movie. Speaking of Ethereum though, it's also crypto you should consider. Ethereum. Ethereum differs from Bitcoin in that it isn't just a cryptocurrency. Network developers can also utilize it to construct their currencies. Despite having a far lower market value than Bitcoin, it is far ahead of other digital currencies. As a result, it is a rewarding investment for both novice and experimented cryptocurrency traders. According to the essayontime.co.uk website, Ethereum arrived on the crypto market many years after hundreds of other cryptocurrencies, but has far exceeded them due to its unique technology. Not only is it big crypto, but it's also got that iconic factor that you should be considering investing in: Cardano or ADA. This cryptocurrency network has a smaller footprint, making it more desirable as an investment option for various reasons. Ethereum is the world's second largest cryptocurrency, having pioneered smart contract technology and attracting a large community to support its development. It is one of the largest asset communities. Ethereum is a distributed public ledger that records and verifies all transactions across a smaller number of data centers. The Ethereum cryptocurrency, Ether, can be monetized, published, and used as a payment method by all users on the decentralized network. The Ethereum network backs them. The nicest thing is that it can be found on practically every exchange and saved in various wallets that support a variety of devices and operating systems. To begin with, compared to the considerably more expensive Bitcoin network, the Cardano network takes significantly less energy to process transactions. As a result, transactions are not only speedier, but also less expensive. The platform also claims to be more secure and adaptable, with developers working to keep the network up to date to stay ahead of hackers. It is efficient, safe, effective, and almost easy for beginners to grasp tightly. In short, this is perfect for you, so you better note it down. Polkadot or DOT. A lot of superstitions relate polkadots to luck and fortune, so give this cryptocurrency a shot. Some of the breakaway leaders at Ethereum launched the Polkadot currency to create a new cryptocurrency with a better network. Polkadot offers several lanes for carrying out and finishing transactions, rather than just a single lane. Polkadot was created to reward real investors while weeding out those who are merely interested in making quick money using cryptocurrency. Investors who are active on this platform can also contribute to decisions like network fees, parachain removal or establishment, and network upgrades. Hold on, please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for new updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like, and do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Let's continue. Binance Coin or BNB. This is one of the few cryptocurrencies that achieved its top after 2017, a year marked by a large bull market in which several cryptocurrency prices surged to their peaks, then plateaued before falling again. Unlike many other coins, however, Binance Coin has continued to rise steadily since 2017. This coin's continuous and stable performance is one of the reasons it is viewed as a stable investment option, because it provides fewer risks, according to an assignment writing service, Chainlink or Link. Investors are drawn to this cryptocurrency for various reasons, the most important of which is its low price. On the other hand, this coin has proved that its value can climb steadily over time and that there is still plenty of space for expansion. This coin is also available on Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange platforms in the world. Another reason it's a good investment is that it's so easy to get. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency founded by software programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a joke in response to the wildly speculative nature of cryptocurrencies at the time. It is regarded as the first meme coin, as well as the first dog coin in particular. Although the buzz surrounding this coin has subsided, it remains a solid digital asset that is drawing several investors. While some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have a finite number of coins, Dogecoin does not. As a result, what became as a hobby has evolved into a cryptocurrency with a slew of backers and investors, including celebrities and billionaires like Elon Musk. Tether. Because it is a stable coin, it stands out among other cryptocurrencies. Fiat currencies such as the euro and US dollar back stable coinage. This means that if an investor purchases one Tether token, they will receive the same value as if they purchased one fiat currency backing the coin. Therefore, the Tether will, in theory, have a more stable value than other cryptocurrencies that are subject to market volatility. Litecoin or LTC. Litecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that employs the exact encryption mechanism as Bitcoin, but with a faster transaction completion rate and the addition of fungibility, privacy, and scalability recently. As a newbie, you should consider investing in Litecoin because it is an upgraded form of Bitcoin. Litecoin is supported by the majority of wallets and is available on the majority of popular exchanges. It is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that allows for faster and more economic transactions. The cryptocurrency operates in a similar manner to Bitcoin, with the exception of mining. The algorithm of Litecoin makes it simpler for ordinary people to mine Litecoins and earn money. We've now reached the end of this video, so what do you think of these cryptocurrencies on the list? Which one of them piqued your interest in investment? Let us know down in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alarmed with our latest content. If you want to make money, then Fiat Bear is for you. Thanks for your time. Cheers!